All right, continuing our discussion of Margaret Edson and the play of hers that we read this week, Wit, published in 1999. All right, Margaret Edson had the play first performed in Costa Mesa, California in 1995. The play was received well, but it did not really go anywhere from there until in 1997. Derek Anson Jones, that friend of hers, who was the aspiring director who helped shop the script around, um, he convinced the Longworth Theater in New Haven, Connecticut to mount the play. And mounting a play means performing the play. Um, from there, the play catapulted to larger regional theaters and finally to off Broadway, where it garnered numerous prestigious awards, culminating in the 1999 Pulitzer Prize in Drama. Yes, quite a prestigious award. Um, at the time, Margaret had earned her master's in literature and had become a kindergarten teacher at Centennial Place Elementary School in Atlanta, Georgia. And that's where one of the interviews was that I had mentioned earlier, where they interviewed her as an elementary teacher, as a kindergarten teacher in Atlanta. She flew up for various theater openings of her play in New York as her classroom schedule would permit. But to her, the teaching always came first. She had to even ask her principal for some time off to go see her show. That was on playing in New York off Broadway at the time. In the above 1999 interview, when Jim Lehrer asked Margaret if she was going to write another play now, she replied, quote, "No, I wanted to write this play, and this is the play that I wanted to write. And I'm committed to teaching now. This is what I'm doing. And if there's something else I want to say in 10 years, well, then I'll think about it. But I'm not interested in leaving teaching for anything." Unquote. So as I said, she's quite a committed teacher. Interestingly, Wikipedia notes that Margaret has since written a second play called Satisfied about, quote, country gospel radio in Kentucky, unquote. However, the play has not yet been produced, to my knowledge. Um, Margaret does continue to teach public school in Atlanta, Georgia, where she lives with her partner, art historian Linda Merrill, and their two sons. All right, well, I now turn you over to the anthology to read more about Margaret Edson's life and times and to read the actual play of hers that we study this week, Wit. Enjoy. It's quite gripping.